ABML Morning Update. MPC's action heralds early Christmas on Dalal Street. This week's spotlight will be on Fed rate guidance given a divided house. Global markets. US markets rose on Friday, with Dow Jones adding 0.22%, the S&P 500 finished 0.19% higher, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.31%, scoring its fifth straight day of gains. US markets ended higher on Friday as investors assessed cooler inflation data that strengthens the case for a Fed rate cut next week. Core PCE came in slightly below estimates at 2.8%, giving the Fed its final inflation read before the policy decision, while consumer sentiment also improved. Also on Friday, the University of Michigan's Consumer Survey, a report that provides a glimpse at sentiment as well as the view on inflation over the near and longer term, came in higher than expected. Traders now see an 87% probability of a 25 basis points rate cut, though analysts say it may not immediately fuel a major rally. For the week, all major indices posted gains, and Netflix shares swung sharply after announcing a $72 billion deal to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery's film and streaming assets. European markets closed on a flattish note, with the Stoxx 600 edging down by 0.01% as investors focused on next week's Fed rate decision amid cooling US inflation and improving sentiment. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on December 5th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.52% at 85,712, and the Nifty was also up 0.59% at 26,186. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 3 points at 26,331, signaling a flat start to the trading session. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee cut the repo rate by 25 basis points to 5.25%, marking the first reduction after 2 meetings of pause. This follows earlier cuts totaling 100 basis points since February, bringing the rate down from 6.5% to 5.5% by June. Governor Sanjay Malhotra said the economy has shown strong resilience despite a tough global environment, with inflation easing enough to support growth. In the December 3rd to 5th meeting, the Monetary Policy Committee or MPC maintained a neutral stance while adjusting the standing deposit facility rate to 5.0% and keeping the marginal standing facility and bank rates at 5.5%. He further added that global uncertainties remain a major risk, but progress on trade and investment negotiations could further aid growth. Focus for the day. Eurozone consumer confidence. Key corporate developments or policy actions. Zen Technologies has secured a 120 crore rupee contract from the Ministry of Defence to establish India's first combat training node at the Infantry School in Mhau, Madhya Pradesh. MNRE has advised NBFCs to halt renewable energy lending due to overcapacity concerns, potentially impacting NBFC portfolios and slowing new project development in the sector. Cochin Shipyard has signed a contract with Switzer to build 4 26-meter fully electric tugs with an option for 4 more under its Global Fleet Renewal Plan, with delivery starting in late 2027. Dynamatic Technologies will build the full rear fuselage for Dassault's Falcon 6X, strengthening their partnership and boosting India's aerospace manufacturing footprint. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 4.38 billion rupees, while DII bought for 41.89 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.